welcome to Kathmandu, the capital city of Nepal, and look how amazing this rooftop is.
We have been here a couple of days now, and one of the things we were wondering when we were planning this trip was how expensive is Nepal?
So in today's video, we are going to be showing you around Kathmandu so you can get a little bit of an idea of what you can expect to pay whilst you are here. We are going to be comparing the prices of meals in the tourist center of Tamil as well as in the outer suburbs too.
And we're going to be picking up a few things that we need for our trip, so you will get a bit of an idea about what you can expect to pay if you need to pick up some trekking gear, or you need to go to the supermarket, or whatever.
The first place we're going to be hitting up today is a place for breakfast. Now it is located outside of the main tourist center of Tamil on the northeast of the ring road, but it is the best place we have found so far to get a really good cheap breakfast, and it is just a few minutes walk from our Airbnb. So that's where we're going first, guys. Let's go. Can we get chai? A two? And so we stumbled across this place yesterday and they do the most amazing chai, so we had to bring you guys back here. But basically what chai is, it's just this amazingly delicious aromatic tea that is brewed with all kinds of different spices, and it is perfect on a cold day like today. It really warms you up. Thank you.
Cheers, cheers.
Now the thing we're going to be eating for breakfast this morning is these Nepalese donuts. We discovered these donuts the first day we were here in Kathmandu, and they are so delicious. We have pretty much eaten them every day for breakfast since. Look at the middle. Now breakfast here is so cheap. For the donut and the chai, it only costs 30 rupees, which is about 27 cents Australian. Crazy.
You're gonna make his.
Oh my god! So I'm going to attempt to make chai. They're letting me make the chai.
You turn it on.
Oh! Step one. You gotta make it hot. Oh my god. This one? And this one I know. This one? In here? And then in here. Oh, in the glass. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh! I'm sorry, I spilled some. I made these! Thank you for letting me do that. We're now walking through the crazy chaotic streets of Tamil, and guys, when you are shopping for trekking gear, you have to stay focused. It is so easy to get sucked in by all the bright colors and all the beautiful things that you do not need.
12 seconds later.
Do I need this? This one is better value because you get a scarf and you get mittens. So stay tuned, guys, because after breakfast we are going to be checking out some of the prices here of the trekking gear in Tamil. Good.
Nepal.
Huh? Very good.
Thank you so much.
This morning we've come down to Tamil for breakfast. We've come to a little restaurant called the Holy Lodge. We've ordered what's called a simple breakfast. It comes with 2 pieces of toast, 2 eggs, a hash brown, a side of potatoes, and a coffee. The reason we went for this, because it's pretty good value. So it is 200 Nepalese rupees, which is approximately $2.50 Australian. Who can argue with this? This looks awesome. Yummy. Hey, I'm hoping you can maybe tell us just about like how expensive some things are. We're looking to get some trekking gear.
Okay.
So something like this one, which is quite a, in Australia this would be quite expensive.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. How much would we be paying for something like this?
This one it's normally selling price 8,000
something
so
like this.
7,000, 8,000
7,000,
rupees.
8,000.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can get as well like a cheaper than this.
Yeah.
Like, but that one is not exactly same quality. That one is like a rough down.
Okay.
And this
Oh,
one
yeah,
is
like
super
that.
down also. This one is a Cortex as well.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so
good.
it's Gore-Tex and
Yeah.
like the down on the inside is like quite thick.
It's hold like a minus 20 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature.
What about like one of these, like one of these North Face?
This one
shorties
just
there?
1,500.
About 1,500.
Yes.
Okay, so that's only what, $20
Yes.
Australian. And maybe like a thermal, just something like this one.
This one for 1,000. If you get top and bottom both, then you have to pay 2,000.
Okay, it's about 1,000. Cool.
Thank you
Brilliant.
guys, that was awesome.
Yes, no.
Maybe.
The second place we've come into today is called Octopus Trekking. I think we're actually maybe going to buy a hat and some other things here because from what we can see, it looks pretty cheap. Something like this sort of down jacket. What sort of temperature would this be for?
Around minus 5 to 10.
Okay, so about minus 5 to 10 degrees. And how much would you
Price, that one is 4,500.
with these Gore-Tex jackets down here? So something. This is quite thick. This is Gore-Tex just to keep the wind off. How much would
Wind and waterproof, those are 3,000.
wind and waterproof and about 3,000?
They're gloves, and then they become mittens. But then you can have your fingers out.
So how much are they?
They're 200 rupees. I'm gonna buy these. They're so good. I just managed to pick myself up an amazing pair of hand knitted gloves for 200 rupees, which is about $2.50 Australian. Even though the gloves were a lot cheaper in that place compared to some of the other places we've seen around here, the trekking gear was actually quite a bit more expensive. So just make sure you guys shop around before you purchase anything so you don't spend more money than you have to.
Today, guys, we've decided to compare the prices of Western food to those of like local Nepali food. So we come to this cafe called the Cafe with No Name. Really cool, trendy little restaurant. It's got your tofu burgers and your jacket potatoes and some local beers. Great specials for it. The food here just sounds delicious. I got a tofu burger. It's got a big piece of tofu. It's got an egg, tomatoes, lettuce, a nice crispy toasted bun. Got a little bit of a salad. And then I got crisps. How amazing is that?
So the second thing we've ordered today is a kana set, which is a traditional Nepalese meal. Basically what it consists of is rice with a bit of dal, some chutneys, and different types of veggies. And the best part is it is unlimited. If you finish your potato and you want some more, you just ask and they will bring you some more. So good. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's good. He just came round to give me more rice, and look at how much rice I have now, guys. So much rice. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to eat all this. And now I have more dal. That was so good. I literally didn't want to leave any of it. And I managed to eat it all, even with the extra rice and the extra bowl of dal. So, you know, I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm gonna be in a food coma in about 10 minutes. That was so yummy.
So we're just in the supermarket because we wanted to have a bit of a look to see what the prices were in terms of alcohol. So if you wanted to buy some spirits or a bottle of wine, it's actually not that cheap. A 1 litre bottle of vodka, of Absolute vodka, for about 6,000. So that's quite expensive. Beers, you got a 600ml bottle for, that's not too bad. It's about $5 for a beer.
We found it's usually better to buy things like toiletries in your home country before you leave because it can be really expensive, and also it can be quite tricky to find some of the items you're looking for. Just to give you guys an idea of how much it costs for like shampoo and conditioner, 330 rupees for Dove conditioner. So it works out to be about $4, which is pretty on par with what you'd pay at home. What is this? They have Kit Kat peanut butter. They're the best kind. They have so many chocolates and sweets in here. This is crazy.
Prices of the lollies in here are pretty on par with what we pay in Australia. So, packet of Haribos, 230 rupees. It's like what, $2.50? They got everything in here. Well, not everything. They got a lot of sweets in here.
I don't know if it's just because it's Evian water, but the water here is crazy overpriced. This bottle is 330 rupees. That's like $4 for a bottle of Evian. That's like what you'd pay at home. That's crazy. Look at this chaos of electrical wires and power lines. Oh my gosh. Literally never seen anything as insane as these power cords.
We wanted to show you what $20 a night is going to get you in an Airbnb. Take a look, it's great. First up, we have our living room, bedroom. It's a bit of a studio apartment style. Over here we have our kitchen, usual kitchen appliances, fresh water, which is handy because you can't drink the water in Kathmandu. And last but not least, you're all dying to see the bathroom. I can tell. And here's the bathroom. Voila. Pretty basic. This here, this is Raju. This is the greatest man on the planet.
He's the best Airbnb host ever. Ever.
Raju's awesome. He also runs a trekking business. So if your plan is to come to Kathmandu, not only can you stay here, but he will help you get set up with your Tim's cards and your trekking and your guides and your porters and everything else you want to do here in Kathmandu. Now for the very best thing about this place.
Lastly guys, we wanted to show you what $95 a night would get you here in a 4-star hotel. Come on in. Firstly, in here we have our bathroom, and in here we have usual bathroom things, toilet, sink, and a shower with really nice hot water. Then over here we have a comfy bed. We also have a desk, a couch for sitting on, coffee table, and then the best part of this room, guys, a lovely view over Kathmandu.
We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, drop some comments down below and we'll try and give you a hand.
And guys, if you haven't already done so, please make sure you subscribe down below. We're gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you done it? Have you done it? Also, make sure you hit that like button and leave us a comment down below because we really do love hearing from you. And guys, we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Dance out. Wait, say it again. Dance out. Dance out.